Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mobile Mastery Hacks. Today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix this story that is not available on Instagram. So if you are facing this type of problem, then I am showing you how to fix this type of problem. Open your Instagram app and check every story. Either all the stories give the same problem. So if this type of story are showing this type of problem, and you are facing this type of problem, then I am showing you how to fix it. Just simply open your settings here, but before that I am telling you that this is because of if he or she deleted his story after posting, or Instagram deleted his story due to some community guidelines. So if you are facing this type of error to a particular account, then this is not a fault of Instagram or your account. So if you're facing problem on every story, then I'm showing you how to resolve it. From setting, you have to go to general, and from here iPhone storage, and from here you have to wait for one, click on Instagram, and from here you have to offload the app here, then reinstall the app. After that, what you need to do is simply hold this one and remove the app from here. Then you have to restore the device and reinstall the app and check whether it is fixed or not. If the problem is still there, then you need to do is open your setting and you have to report to team. Tap on three clicks and tap on settings, and here you click on help. So from here, create a report to Instagram team after posting the screenshot, and after 24 hours the problem will be fixed. Thank you for watching.